Guys, me and Hugo just got Chick-fil-A right now. I finally made it early enough for breakfast, bro. I never wake up early enough to try the Chick-fil-A breakfast. It's pretty bomb. Look what they put on the receipt, guys. When you go to the drive-thru, they write down your car. Somebody put Lamborghini. My boy, I wish it was a Lamborghini. I think he was messing around though, because when I went up to the window, he was all hyped, bro, and he told me to rev it for him, so that was cool. Maybe, I don't know, maybe he knows the car. Maybe he doesn't know it's a Lamborghini. I don't know, bro. I've actually heard a lot of little kids and stuff always call this car a Lamborghini. It's pretty funny. Anyways, what's up, guys? You're watching another video. We just made it down here to Orange County. Me and Hugo are about to have a photo shoot with some homie. We're gonna meet up with him right now, take some pictures. I might go rush to the car wash real quick because my car is super dirty. Hugo already went to go meet up with him. And then I think we might meet up with the homie Josh today and maybe Jay. I don't know. Just turn it into a content day as always. Let's see what we get into today. Let's go. The GTR looks so clean right now, bro. Look at that. I don't know why my GTR looks better than ever right now. We got Hugo, the homie, shooting the pictures. Guys, look who else pulled up.
Yo, I'm back in the vlog.
This is your first time in the vlog, I didn't know.
Yeah. Oh shit, yeah. I'm in so many vlogs now. It's crazy. I'm in Hugo's vlog. I'm in Josh's vlog. It's going viral already. I'm going viral. Everyone follow my TikTok. I ain't got it.
We got Josh. We got the Lambo.
The homie Tony, film me, bro.
Let's go off-roading in this.
We should, huh?
Hey, in the grass right there.
But I think it's like an old airport or something. I don't know what this is, to be honest.
I think it's crazy, bro.
I was telling Hugo, I think this is where they parked the blimps. Hugo doesn't even know what a blimp is.
I didn't know what that was, brother.
You guys know what a blimp is? He doesn't know what a blimp is, bro.
You could steal them on GTA.
Oh yeah, you could.
There's only one blimp here. It's the Goodyear one. Hey, vlog now. Nick's about to give me a ride in the GTR.
You want to go real quick?
Yes. Whoa, I got two cameras on me. What you got time about? I want to see the GTR shoot play.
Okay, let me get a ride.
Nico shits his pants in the GTR.
It's pretty slow, bro.
No, it's not.
I swear it's slow. It's a vlog for me though.
Okay, I'll vlog.
This is the homie Nico, guys.
Yeah, what's up,
scared, brother?
I won't be scared.
Try not to shut yourself.
Yeah, I won't.
He wants to buy a GTR soon.
I'm getting one, y'all. Don't worry. I'm gonna make content with Nick. Do rolling anti-lag for the vlog. You got to. You got to. Not right now. Not right now. Not right here. Oh shit. No, it's not. You didn't even floor it. Y'all, he's tripping right now. Yo, chill. Okay, yeah. All right, Nick's stepping on it now. Hold on.
I don't know where it's like a good street.
Just, well, you could have went that way, but okay, we'll just go this way. Nick.
You want to do that anti-lag?
Yeah? Do it.
I hope it's on top, but that should be good.
Rolling anti-lag right here, dude.
The rolling anti-lag sick, bro. Maybe we should have raced when we had it.
Oh, shit! Yeah! Yo! Okay, chill! Yo! Are you fucking mad? Yo! Holy shit! Okay. Woo! Yo, my soul went out of my body, bro. Oh my god.
Does it feel fast? It's a little fast, right?
Bro. Get me out of this car, bro. Get me out of this car. Yeah! Oh my god! Okay. Alright. Yo! Holy! Oh my god! Yeah, we definitely going to speed limit, alright? Alright, we're going back. This is woo! I've never been in a crazy ass ride like that before. Let alone a GTR like that.
It's fast, but I'm already used to it, bro. It does not feel fast to me at all.
It's
slow. No?
Hey, no, it's not, but oh! Next wild. Y'all, if y'all can experience this right now, I'm telling you, this is insane.
I'm sorry.
I've been in some fast cars, but this right here,
it's crazy?
It's crazy. I'm like shaking right now.
The first point you got so scared.
I got so scared.
Like, Nick.
Oh shit! What the? Oh! Yo! We got bumps! Yo, don't hit them now. Woo! I'm like, get me out of this car, bro. I'm shaking. I'm shaking my boots.
I knew he'd have the perfect reaction, guys.
Yes.
My boy is
Bro,
high.
he took me too fast in this car, bro.
That shit was funny.
Bro, this thing.
Bro, I did not let off, and he was like, Nick.
We were bobbing and weaving through traffic. He just floored it, didn't stop. I'm like, bro, chill.
We did like the speed limit, I
I just
think.
feel my soul come out of my body, bro. It's just, my muscles just tense.
But he was actually scared. Bro, I was.
scared. No, I've never
Bro.
been scared before, but.
Anyways, that was super funny. It was fun.
Yes, that was so fun. We're doing round 2.
But now we're about to head to the mall. We got Josh, we got Hugo. And I don't know what we're gonna get into. There's like no car stuff happening, so it might be like a daily lifestyle vlog today, bro. Which I never do.
Chill.
I should do that more, huh?
What?
Like just film my daily life?
Yes.
Like not even, it doesn't have to be car related, just anything.
No, daily life, like you've been doing
I know.
in the past, but you stopped now.
Look at Hugo.
Look at Hugo.
But we've been seeing Josh every single day, guys. Every vlog, we're with Josh now.
One more time! He wants to race one more time!
Almost the same though.
Almost. Bro, I did not expect that when, bro.
It's crazy that a Nissan could keep up with the Lamborghini.
Yeah, for real. That's what I'm saying, y'all. You gotta get a GTR. That's like, bro, I can't even film this shit. But yeah, but you gotta get a GTR. That's the way to go. But like, look at this, bro. If it's keeping up with the Lambo right there, like, come on now, bro. This is crazy. We now pulling up to the Spectrum. You feel me? Okay, all right. Nick's trying to drop some bombs.
Big ass nachos. Yeah, burger.
Y'all eat it. You know, I just
Pizza
got.
looks bomb.
We like that. That pizza do hit. Like, he is hot on the weight.
Me and Hugo are sharing this because we just had Chick-fil-A, bro.
I'll help finish that.
Where we at, Hugo? We going shopping today?
Yeah, I think it's my turn to get a.
We're about to go car shopping, guys. It's your turn? What's Hugo gonna cop today?
Lambo.
But yeah, guys, we just made it here to Eurocar. We've been here before in the vlog. It's like the best place to go window shopping. But one day, I said it in a vlog before, one day I'm gonna buy a car from here, I swear. Window shopper. Sing it.
I ain't window shopping, brother. If there's a lot for right or SBJ, I'm
Window
buying it.
shopper. Sing it. Sing it.
Talking about, brother. I think I know why. He's a window shopper.
That's us today. We window shopping today, guys. But they always got sick ass cars here. So we're gonna go in here, check out some cool cars, see what cool stuff they have. I don't know.
Josh Loki look like he gonna buy a car.
Josh looks like he for sure gonna buy a car.
They're gonna say right now.
There's for sure gonna be SBJ in here probably. Damn, look at us. Fit of the day? OTD? Utara? Damn, bro, look at the first cars we
What are
see.
you gonna buy? The F8?
She looks like a bag of Skittles.
Out of these 4 right now, what are you going with, brother?
I think I'm gonna take the Porsche.
That's what I was thinking.
I'm taking the Porsche, bro. This is hard too. With the yellow interior on yellow exterior. Damn.
Or the A12?
I'm taking that. Then they got an orange on orange Ferrari, and the other one was yellow on yellow. That's crazy specs, bro. Let's see what's crazy here, guys.
I think I might
Oh.
right now, brother.
The only car that I care about here is this one right here. I want it, bro. I want an SVJ so bad. We need one, Josh.
It's coming soon.
2 SVJs.
I want a Aventador and just wide body it, you know. Do my own
That'd be hard.
You know me.
Liberty Walk. You gotta have that.
It would be hard.
Yeah, bro.
But this is the all-time.
This is the one that I requested.
This is the all-time dream car right there. With the red accents inside.
Bro, that's beautiful.
That's the perfect spec.
Yes.
Mixed with it.
Looks so mean.
And then
Black,
you
black,
would
and
want
white.
So many sick-ass cars here. I need one of these.
At least,
So I could be cruising with Josh. Look at all these cars in here, guys. Imagine this is your garage. It's like a GTA garage right here. Oh my god, look at all the Rolls Royce. There's so many. There's literally so many Rolls Royce. Look at this. Like so many. I've never seen so many in my life in one spot, bro. Damn, those are big bodies right there, bro. These are hard. After we're done with all the fast car stuff, we gotta get one of these. When we cruise, that one's so sick, bro. Or I'll just take a Urus. I'm down. This is the perfect Urus right here. Change the calipers to red, and there you go. FindingNick spec. The Cullinan or Urus? That's a very hard choice, huh? These look way more like luxurious and big baller status, but those just look more sporty. So I don't know. They're both sick. I like coming here, guys, because you get to see all these freaking supercars and expensive freaking cars. And honestly, it just gives you some motivation because you want to like literally speak this into existence, guys. I'm gonna get one of these Lambos one day, and maybe I'll buy it from here. I don't know. One day we're gonna buy a Lambo, and I can't wait. Look how sick they are. Here's some Porsches for the people that like Porsches. Everyone gets mad at me because I don't really film the Porsches on my vlogs, but I like them. They're not like my all-time favorites, but I will definitely take a GT3 RS. Go get it, bro. Look at all the keys, guys. All the keys are just chilling there. Just go find the SVJ key. That's the only one I want. This thing is so sick, guys. This is literally the all-time dream car. I know you guys get annoyed at me saying it, but every time I see one, bro, it's like literally the best looking car, best sounding car, best everything.
So my boy, he has to put 100 bands down.
Dude, we were asking him about the SV. The SV said, yeah, you need 100K, 20K payments.
Yeah, you go crazy. He said 20K. I tell him, car can stay where it's at, champ. Yeah, it can stay where it's at.
You see someone driving this? I don't know. They're doing something right, bro.
Yeah,
Because they're literally $1 million cars. It's insane. I think these are going for like 5 maybe under. These are like $1 million right now, bro. Imagine paying 20K a month, guys, for a car payment. That is ridiculous, bro. One day, I want to be able to make that much money. Where that's nothing, bro. Now we're back to our boring cars. I want the SVJ, bro.
Mine. Your guys' are fun. Mine is a boring.
United 2s are fun too.
No, they're not.
Probably funner in the Canyon than my car. United 2s are probably way funner in the Canyon than my GTR. Guys, your boy needs help. I need to stop eating these, bro. Anna Celsius. This is like the crackhead freaking combo right here. I'm gonna have so much energy, bro. I haven't really been doing much. It's been a very, very chill day. We went to the mall. We went to Yard House. I've been doing a bad job filming, but I just need to get more used to filming like my daily lifestyle stuff. Hanging out with Josh more often, I've been seeing how much he vlogs, and he vlogs everything, guys, throughout his day. And I need to start doing that, filming like what we eat, what we do, going to the mall, just random stuff like that. Because I know you guys want to see that stuff. I just never film it. I'm always just filming the car stuff. Casually, another SVJ. The second one we've seen today. Must be nice, Josh. I need to move over here. But why they look like twins right now? My boy looks like Jay's brother. They got the same hair, bro. Damn, the bike.
When it actually hooked, this boy be moving.
Josh's first time in Jay's car.
Hey, I gotta experience that.
But take him on the freeway. You'll be scared.
Oh, bro, you go.
Hugo's car has to be the loudest.
Wow. Oh shit! Yo! No! Yo! Oh!
Bro, I never launched the car, but I had to do it for him.
Oh my god!
It's crazy, right?
What the? You can't cuss on YouTube, my bad, but damn! What?
Bro, the launch is the funnest thing in this car. I try not to launch the car, guys, because it's actually very bad for the transmission and bad for the car. What the? Is that a, I thought it was a Huracan. It is a Huracan. I thought it was a Aventador, but still. But there's so many sick cars around here, guys. It's crazy. But yeah, guys, my tires are bald. Look at the middle. It has no more thread, dude. I'm so sad because these tires are not cheap, guys. And But if you guys remember, the last time I had these tires, they were all out of stock everywhere, and it took me like 4 or 5 months to find a set because everyone was out of stock. The front have like a couple more months left, but the rear are definitely bald, bro. And it's probably gonna be wired soon, so that sucks. I do not want to spend money on tires. Go cop the merch.
Go buy the merch.
Go buy the merch because I need new tires, guys.
I'm like, what the hell?
Bro, I launched the car.
I know, I
I
seen
seen
that
it stop
shit.
and I was like,
It was sliding though.
It was sliding, right?
I saw that shit, I was like, oh!
Bro, the GTR is literally sliding, guys. That has no tires. I can't.
you're acting like B right now.
I know. I felt like I was driving a G80 for a little bit.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.